Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Guys, it has been forever since we have done a stuffing video. We had two holidays, so we had Veterans Day and also Thanksgiving that fell under me getting paid. So we did not do a stuffing video for a whole month and I sure have missed it terribly. But we're back for the first paycheck of December and we are going to be going over how much I got paid from my regular job and also from my side hustle, and it's mainly going to be eBay. We're going to go over the bills that we're going to be paying, and also we're going to be stuffing our sinking funds. So if any of that interests you, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love for you guys to come and join my family. So anyways, we laid everything out. $780 is how much we are going to be stuffing today. So let's go ahead and get started and let's do our paychecks. So paycheck number one, I budgeted $2,079. I am on salary and it runs between $2,079 and $2,083. It just depends on the first of the month. Usually my life insurance comes out and some other extra things comes out. So it's a little bit less. And then on my second paycheck, it's just maybe $10 more or something like that. Okay, so for eBay for the past 2 weeks, we have been killing it, you guys, and we have made $140. That is incredible. It's insane, you guys. So I am going to, I don't have my good calculator, my favorite calculator, but we have this pretty one. So I am going to go ahead and count how much money. 79 plus 140 equals $2,219. And now we're going to move along to our bills. Now these are the bills that I have paid every single month. Starting with house, each paycheck we budget $218. For car, we are budgeting, it says $400, but I already have $600 saved for the car. So we are actually only going to be putting $200 in that. Insurance is going to be $38. Well, not insurance, light. Light will be $37. Phone bill is going to be $50. Insurance is going to be $38. Chase, we are only going to be putting $60 because our next paycheck will just finish paying the bill because that is the same day that is due. And then Capital One is going to be getting $30. We're going to go ahead and add all of this. Now, these are just cut in half of one paycheck. So the next paycheck, we're going to do the other half of it. I don't know, it's kind of sticking. So 218 plus 200 plus 37 plus 50 plus 38 plus 60 plus 30 equals $633. Is how much we are going to be paying towards bills this paycheck. Now we are going to go ahead and stuff our cash envelopes, which consists of, if you're new to my channel, it consists of food, gas, and fun money, and also a cushion, which is the leftover of my paycheck pretty much, and it stays in my debit card. So groceries always gets 100. And we are doing 250s. So that is 100. Gas, I actually have extra, so $40. Now this is going to be going towards our money challenges on Tuesday, which is great when we have leftovers. Now gas is getting $140. I could drop it to $100 because our gas right now is, the lowest I've seen is $2.86, which is really good. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, and 40. But I am going to still put $140 because I do have a couple of Christmas parties that I'm going to be going to this weekend. So I do not want to be, I want to make sure I have enough money to carry me for 2 weeks. And then fun money, we have 5, 10, 15, 16, and 17. So $17, and of course that is going to be going towards fun money. Not fun money. It's going to be going towards the money challenges on Tuesday. And we always get $100. And then that is it for our cash envelopes. Now that cash envelope, like I said, is going to last me for 2 weeks until we get paid again on the 23rd. Moving on to sinking funds, which is my favorite part. First off, we're going to be stuffing $300, and car maintenance is going to be getting $40. Medical is also getting $40. My goal is to finish medical with $500 and then deposit it in my high yield savings account and keep it in there. Vacation is getting $150. And I have a story on vacation. It annoyed the crap out of me today. Dobby is getting $20. He does have a groomers coming up. Christmas, I am putting $20 in Christmas. I am almost done. I'm pretty much done with Christmas shopping. $20 is actually, I got invited to my mom's Filipino Christmas party, and it's this Sunday, so I actually have to buy something for a raffle off and also some food. So that is $20 that I'm going to be putting towards that. Special occasion is getting $0. Home will be getting $10. Beauty will be getting $0. We'll start special occasion and beauty back up in January. And then renewal is getting $20. And all of that is going to be equals to $300. All right. So let's go ahead. We're going to do vacation last just so I can tell the story. So first off is going to be car maintenance. And car maintenance is getting $40. So we have 100, 200, 300, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 20, 40, 50, and 55. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 455, which is great. And we're going to finish this off hopefully during the money challenge this Tuesday. Medical is also getting $40. And let me just update this real quick. 455. Medical is also getting $40. And I'm actually just going to put this aside so then I can update. So medical is getting $40. 40. And let's see. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, and 64. So $164. And that is good too. 164. Dobby is stuck in the room because I did not want him barking while I am filming, and he is still barking. Dobby is getting $20, so this should make it 100, I believe. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. So I'm probably just going to put another $20 in next paycheck, and that will be done with that. Christmas is getting $20. $20. Special occasion will not be getting anything, but we are still going to count it, and we have $2. home is getting $10. And that is 20, 21, and 30. So $31. Beauty is not getting anything, but of course we will count that as well. And that is 20, 30. $30 for beauty. And then last but not least, before we do vacation, we have renewals. And that is getting $20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, and 10. So $110, and that is enough for my HOA part. So Jared owes $110, so I can go ahead and pay for that. And then let me see, next we are going to go ahead and do our vacation. And vacation is getting $150. Now, you guys, so you know I got paid today. And I was checking my bank account, and then I saw that I had a unexpected charge for $253. Well, that $253 is from our hotel that we are going to be staying at during my birthday week in January, might I add, January 15th. And I called them and I said, hi, you know, I have a reservation in January, and then I just realized that y'all charged my card for the amount. And she's like, yes, we charge your card 2 days in advance. I said, okay, well, that's fine if I was coming in 2 days, but I'm not until January. And so she looked it up and she confirmed that it was taken out, but she didn't know why it was taken out. Like, she had no reason to tell me. So she put me on hold and spoke with her manager, and apparently her manager doesn't even know why it was taken out either. So she refunded me the money, and of course it's Friday, so I won't get any of that $250 back until probably Monday. And if I don't see it by Wednesday, then I'm gonna call again and ask, hey, what's up? And if it's not deposited then I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna like blow a casket, to be honest with them. That has never happened to me. I have used booking.com for everything, and this is the first time they have done that to me, and I am just in shock, in awe. I'm trying to find my side hustle money, because my side hustle envelope, because we still have to do this money, which it's fine. I'm just going to put eBay right here. And whenever I find my side hustle envelope, I'll just add it. So we have 120 and 40. So 140. 140. Perfect. I'm just going to set this aside, and I'm going to look for that envelope whenever I am done filming. So we're going to go ahead and add everything. So let's, hopefully I don't mess this up. 455 plus 164 plus 150 plus 100 plus 20 plus 2 plus 31 plus 30 plus 110 equals to $1,062 is how much we have in sinking funds. Now, it could be a lot more because vacation is actually in my my little vacation money challenge that I'm doing. I think we have roughly around $400 in there. I think it's like $450. So this could be more, but the other money is in my money challenges that I show on Tuesday. But anyways, so that is it, you guys. Short, sweet, to the point. Well, not short because it's like 15 minutes now. But anyways, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and thank you for hanging out with me on this. Well, I'm filming this on Friday, but thank you for hanging out with me on this Saturday morning. I hope y'all have a great rest of the weekend, and I will see you guys on Sunday for a What Sold on eBay and Mercari. And then I will be back on Tuesday for a new money challenge, and we are stuffing unstuffing, actually taking the money out of the $10 challenge, and we are going to be restuffing some envelopes with the $500 that we saved. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.